All right, let's jump right into this. Look, if you've been paying any attention to the business world lately, you already know that artificial intelligence, it's not just a buzzword anymore, right? It is literally the new operating system for the modern enterprise. But here's the catch. There is just way too much of it. It's overwhelming. So today, we're unpacking a massive encyclopedia of AI software. But don't worry, we're not just going to rattle off a dry list of features. Instead, we're going to map out exactly how these tools can drive actual operational impact and measurable ROI for your team.
Because, let's be honest, staring down a directory of 201 different AI tools, that's enough to make anyone's head spin. It's super easy to succumb to tool fatigue or worse, what we call shadow AI. You know, when employees just start using random apps under the radar without any real strategy or security oversight, definitely not what you want. So think of us as your digital archivists for this explainer. We're going to organize this vast, chaotic landscape by the exact jobs to be done. That way, you can strategically pick the tools that actually solve your real operational bottlenecks.
To keep this super actionable, we've broken this explainer down into clear, functional layers. We'll kick things off with a high-level look at the AI productivity landscape and then drill straight down into the tools reshaping content and marketing, operations and management, sales and customer experience, and finally, the absolutely crucial data analytics and privacy layer.
All right, part one, the AI productivity landscape. Let's get the big picture. Before we dive into specific workflows, we really need to grasp just how widely AI capabilities are penetrating totally different professional verticals. Just look at the sheer breadth here. On one hand, you've got Tabnine, which integrates directly into developer environments like VS Code, speeding up really complex engineering workflows with real-time code suggestions. And then, on the flip side, you have Jasper, an AI entirely dedicated to drafting full-blown marketing articles and website copy. Two completely different departments, engineering and marketing, both seeing massive productivity gains through specialized AI. It's pretty wild.
Moving on to part two, content and marketing engines.
Let's see how this builds into the marketing side of a business, because this is an area where AI has absolutely exploded. The key here? Specialization. Rather than getting bogged down in features, let's rapidly match these tools to their core utility. Say you need a versatile foundational LLM for all sorts of creative text, boom, you use ChatGPT 4o. But actually, what if you have a super specific task, like optimizing blog titles to get the maximum click-through rate? Well, then you deploy a vertical specialist like Headline. Or if you're running an e-commerce store and you suddenly need to crank out hundreds of product descriptions by yesterday, you'd use Copysmith. It's all about matching the specific tool to the exact job.
And this is the crucial point. Even within a single category, like video creation, the job to be done dictates your tool. If your marketing team needs to turn a written blog post into a quick, snappy social media clip, Lumen 5 is your go-to engine. Need to show off a new app design on different devices for a client pitch? Placeit by Envato handles those mockups perfectly. Or maybe you have some raw footage that just needs some professional text overlays and background music. You drop it straight into Veed. You absolutely do not need all three. You just need the one that fits your exact workflow.
Okay, part three, operations and management tools.
Going a bit deeper into the enterprise stack, these are the tools acting as the central nervous system for your workflows. They are all about streamlining the daily chaos. Take Airtable. It brings AI right into managing complex relational databases, pretty much replacing those clunky old spreadsheets. But hey, look closely at Microsoft Power Automate in the middle there. This is a game changer for enterprise leaders worried about integrating with legacy stacks. You don't have to rip and replace Microsoft 365. You just use Power Automate to seamlessly connect tasks across those existing apps, which seriously cuts down on change management friction. And on a personal level, tools like Sunzama use AI to actually optimize your calendar through smart, intelligent time blocking.
Now, to really grasp the operational impact, the true before and after, let's look at Papaya Document AI. Just picture a traditional finance department for a second. Countless hours are literally wasted manually typing data from receipts, invoices, and contracts into a system. It's tedious, right? Well, Papaya uses AI to automatically extract all that data and handle the entry for you. It basically eradicates manual data entry altogether, which shifts your finance team from being just data processors to strategic analysts. And that is some serious, measurable ROI.
All right, part four, sales and customer experience.
Let's transition from the back office straight to the front lines. This is where AI directly impacts your revenue. These tools take over the heavy lifting in client interactions. For example, Drift uses AI to provide automated 24/7 website support, routing inquiries so you never ever miss a lead, even if they're messaging you at 3 a.m. Then you have reply.io, which automates that super tedious top-of-funnel work by scraping data to find B2B leads. And chorus.ai, it's basically a manager that scales. It analyzes your team's sales calls to pinpoint exactly what phrasing is closing deals and what's losing them.
But let's take that a step further, because this is fascinating. Imagine the ROI of this specific utility from a tool called Cognito. Instead of analyzing a call after it happens, when it's too late, Cognito actively listens and provides real-time coaching to your sales reps while they are on a live call. It's analyzing tone, pacing, even customer sentiment on the fly, and it prompts the rep to say, slow down, show a bit more empathy, or push for the close. It's literally like having your absolute best sales manager whispering directly into the ear of every single rep at the exact same time.
Next up, Part 5, Data Analytics and Privacy.
Listen, for enterprise leaders, you simply cannot scale AI without rigorously evaluating risk, compliance, and how you're handling sensitive data. When you're rolling out these tools, security is every bit as critical as productivity. Big ID is a great example. It automates data privacy, ensuring that as you feed data into your AI models, you're staying strictly compliant with frameworks like SOC 2 and GDPR. Forter uses AI to instantly detect and block online fraud, which is an absolute must-have for digital storefronts. And Brightlet handles the heavy lifting, processing massive datasets for real-time business decisions without crashing your servers or exposing you to dangerous vendor lock-in risks.
And this next tool brilliantly illustrates how AI mitigates everyday enterprise friction. Every single business gets bogged down in legal, right? Contracts pile up, waiting for a human lawyer to review standard clauses, and it creates this massive bottleneck in the approval pipeline. Well, Lexon automates the dense, high-stakes review of these legal documents. It pulls out key terms, flags non-standard clauses, and just drastically speeds up the whole contract management process, all while significantly cutting down on human error.
Finally, Part 6, Navigating the AI Future.
Look, just knowing these 201 tools exist, that is only half the battle. Now that you have this structured map of the landscape, from marketing generation to real-time sales coaching to legal compliance, the most important question is this: which specific tools will you carefully select to solve your exact operational bottlenecks today? Remember, the goal isn't to just blindly adopt all 201 tools. No way. The goal is to evaluate your workflows, pinpoint the friction, and strategically deploy the exact AI utility that turns that friction into speed. So how will you build your stack without succumbing to tool fatigue? Choose wisely and build with intention.